this is Savage Guys with Thousand here, and today we'll be playing Will You Press a Button? So, every time you press a button, you get $50,000. But every time you do press a button, every other person dies. What should I press, kids? Who cares? I'm pressing the button. I'm that cruel. Stupid computer. You get infinite energy and money, but everything you eat is slightly poisonous and leaves you in bed for 3 days. Like, I care. Next. You get $20,000, but 50% you'll lose one of your thumbnails. I will not. I don't care about the $20,000, but I already picked the $50,000. You are able to make any comfortable living thing, doing nothing but playing games professionally for the rest of your life, but you will forever be a virgin. If you already lost your virginity, all your memories of having sex will be erased. Who you have slept with also. Okay, I have a dirty mind, so I'm pressing I will not. Don't judge me for doing that. I don't care if I have a dirty mind. Dumbass computer. You can bring one loved one back from the dead, but you may never see them or communicate with them in any way. Nah. Next. Star Wars Episode 7 will be the greatest masterpiece in all cinema, but 8 and 9 will star Jar Jar Binks and... Screw it, I'm pressing I will not. Next. You will have all the money in the world. Anything you ever wanted will become yours, but you will live a lonely life without ever falling in love and end up dying alone. I will not. You possess this telekinetic power, but you can... Screw it, who cares if I look ugly? Okay, I'll just do a few more because I have to eat dinner later. You can bring people back from the dead, but every time you do, someone else dies. Who cares? Wait, I will be back in a second. Hold on. Okay, after that, let's get back to business. You can change your gender wherever you want for however you want, but you are asexual. This game actually has a dirty mind sometimes. Did you know that, YouTube? The game has a dirty mind, actually. You be Von Pac-Man. You can eat all you want, but there are ghosts chasing you, and you must eat cherries to eat the ghosts. I don't like cherries, but if I want to kill the ghost, yes I will. Stupid computer. My computer's been giving me the middle finger for quite a while. You become the most beautiful / handsome person in the world, but anyone who looks you in the eyes is immediately trampled his son. Yes, what if it was my arch rival? Like the Mystic Sarah person. Okay, I'm just going to do 3 more. You have good looks, but your biggest enemy is your boss for the rest of your life. I don't care. So wait, actually I do care about my worst enemy. My worst enemy is Mystic Sarah. Oh my god, Sniper 3D, stop showing notifications. I'll get the grip and ammo later. Your partner allows you to experience your favorite fetish once a week. Game has a dream mod, but you might. I will not. Okay, I'm just going to do two more actually. Next. You become God, but you have to kill every human, cannot create new life. Okay. I pressed a button. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, this is the last one. You can create the greatest video game of all time, but it's only on 2DS. RKO out to nowhere. Yes. Okay, that is all. Bye.